Hey everybody, I'm Miss Brenda and this is my virtual piano lesson classroom. So welcome. Today we are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 lesson book and we're on the last page, 63, and we are going to be playing Adventure Warm Up in C and Warm Up in G. So this is our 5-finger scale. And by now, you should know where that is. Your first finger in the right hand is on middle C, and the fifth finger in your left hand is on low C. So we are just playing the pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Then we have our 1 chord, which is 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. This is our C chord. And then this is our 5-7 chord, which is a G chord. And so we are playing 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. And then back to our 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1 C chord. And then you're going to play the whole chord in unison. Now, let's look. Our next one in the same exercise is G. So we're going to move up to G and play the 5-finger G scale. So we're going to move our thumb on our right hand up to G, and we're going to move our 5th finger in our left hand up to G. And again, it's the pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Then we play our 1 chord in G, which is 5, 3, 1, and 1, 3, and 5. That's our G chord. And then our 5-7 chord is our D chord, which is 2 and 1 in the left hand and 1 and 2 in the right hand. Then back to your 1 chord, and then a unison 1 chord. Play both chords in the right and left hand together. And let's hear how this sounds. I know you're going to do this great, and this is a great way to get started after a finger power or after another technique book to get started for your day. So let's listen how it goes. Take it away, Brenda. Our thumb is on middle C, and our left hand 5th finger is on low C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our right hand thumb is now on G, and our left hand 5th finger is on G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you've heard the C and G scales. So how do you think you're going to do? Well, if you're a student of mine, you're going to nail it and you're going to do great. And you're going to do great on any scale I give you. So have fun with this. Get really good with your 5-finger scales and knowing what is the 1 and the 5-7 chord. And I'll see you in the next lesson.